right, so while we're waiting for that, I thought we'd add a couple other little things. I thought we would add just a little champagne bottle and glass here. So this is the mold that I used. The champagne bottle, up here it has where the foil, the paper is. So I thought I'd take a dry brush and some of the gold dust and just dust that area at the top. And then see where the wrinkle that shows up, where the wrinkled paper would be. We can take just a little bit around the bottle, a little light, but pretty much solid at the top. And then I did 2 glasses. One actually just broke, so I just melted a little more chocolate, and I'm going to pop that one together like this. And I'm going to put these 2 together because I actually want this glass to stand up. So put it together like that. And let me flip this one over. And put some chocolate back here. Probably be easier if I used a brush, but hey, why do things the easy way, huh? I think that one's not set yet, but put a little bit more. Okay, so we'll just kind of wait for those to set up, and then we'll probably trim around this part right here. Okay, so let's see, while we're waiting for that now, if our rose is ready. Still a little soft, but let's see if we can get it out. So I go all the way around the mold, stretching the mold. And then with my fingers push in here and pull out. That did pretty good. It left a little piece in there. It could have been in there longer. Okay, so this is going to go right here in the front. So we just need a little bit of water. It's kind of a heavy rose too, so we'll probably have to watch and make sure that it doesn't actually slide down a little bit. If it starts to, we can always put another skewer through it. Okay, and then I wanted to do a couple of leaves. Let me move the chocolate out of the way. So I'm going to use just a lightened chocolate fondant, and then this is a PME rose leaf cutter. So this is just by adding white fondant to the chocolate fondant. Just roll this out. Okay, so you go like this, then you push down to do the veining in it, like so. And then we can kind of twist these, and let's add a little gold to these. Why not? Okay, a little water. So place one like in here, lift this up a bit, and kind of twist it, give it a little movement. And then the other one, a little gold dust there. Twist it a little water over here, lift that up. And I think I actually want a little gold dust on this rose. It's just too, blah. There we go. It's okay that some got some kind of sprayed over a little. You could, that actually kind of looks good. Takes away the starkness of the chocolate.